Hello guys, this is Roy from Random Mini Four Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And today I'm going to show you how to make the front bumperless and also how to set up a front brake for the FMA. And plus, also there will be a no cost angle plate as well. Okay, so that's what this video for. And so let's start with the video. Alright. Okay, so here I'm cutting the front bumpers, and first we're gonna clean all the mess that after we cut it. And also if you have the plastic cutter, we're gonna using the plastic cutter, and also we're gonna trim and make it flat and looks better. Okay, and this is what we're gonna using for our front brake. Okay, so here as you can see, I want to make a two holes on that front bumpers, and then I can make it shorter. So that's the multi-rollers rear stage is what we're gonna use. So here I'm gonna show you. You can see those two holes. So those two holes can guide us to drill the hole and make it the right spot, and also can make the both side the level are the same. Okay, and here what I'm using is the hand drill. Of course you can see I spent a pretty long time to try to make using the hand drill to go through it, and what I'm doing, I'm just try to leave a mark on the spot, and I try to using the hand drill again and see I might be able to drill through it, and it's gonna take a while. So here I changed my plan. I'm gonna using the Tamiya drill. Okay, I'm gonna using this. Okay, because this one is it's pretty powerful, and I usually using this to drill the hole whenever I need to. So it takes only a few seconds, and that's very fast. Okay, now you can see the hole is done. And for those spot that we just talked about, because that's gonna block us if I want to make my front bumper shorter, so I'm gonna cut it and make sure it doesn't block the motor cover. So make sure it's right, then we do the countersunk at the bottom. Okay, then we gonna tighten it up. Okay, and here is the front bumper that we're gonna install the rollers. So I just try to check the spot is that right, and also at the bottom those two holes we gonna uh, put the screws. I made the countersunk holes on that two holes again as well, and to measure it sees right. Okay, and now we're gonna using the 1.9 millimeter hand drill at the back when we installed the rear plate. The reason why is the original hole, it's a little bit too tight if you wanna drill, like install it. So that's why we're using the hand drill and make the hole it's a little bit bigger. Okay, so now can check everything is perfect. And here about the no cost the angle plate. So as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in for you, and that weird spot, as you can see, yes, that's our angle plate. All right, so where is that angle plate front? Here is the picture. Yes, that's from our original front bumpers. So what I'm using it, because the Tamiya angle plate, it's only it's it's expensive, I have to say. So I want to make a cost lower and make it lower cost as possible for this project. So what I choose using the original front bumpers, and I cut the the right size to fit, because we do the bumperless, remember? So I tried to cut the right size, and that fits. So when we install our front plate, then you can see it also has the angles. Okay, so that is the how I make the no cost angle. And for next video, I will show you how to make the body damper on the front body damper on FMA. Okay, so if you have any question, please you leave your question comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next